In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your Shopify e-commerce store in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're a budding entrepreneur looking to carve out your niche in the digital market, or you're aiming to expand your physical business online, Shopify offers a seamless platform to get your store up and running with ease and efficiency. To kick things off, navigate to Shopify's website. It's the gateway where you'll begin shaping your online store into reality. Once there, you'll find the option to log in. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. This is where you'll input your email address and following that your password. After entering your password, click on the login button to access your Shopify admin dashboard. At this point, you've entered the nerve center of your Shopify operation. Here, to get things rolling, head over to My Store, so our home. This is where the magic starts. On the left-hand sidebar, locate and click on Online Store. It's here where you'll begin the exciting journey of customizing your store's look and feel to match your brand. Now it's time to dive into customization. Click on the Customize button to access Shopify's theme editor. Shopify's theme editor is intuitive and robust, giving you control over various aspects of your storefront. From here, let's focus on a few critical areas to bring your store to life. First up, your store's logo. Click on Highlight and then select Logo to upload your branding. This visual emblem represents your store's identity, so choose wisely. Next, let's give your store some color. Again, click on Highlight, followed by Colors. Shopify provides a palette of colors to choose from, ensuring you can align the look of your store with your brand colors. Moving on, typography plays a pivotal role in how visitors perceive your store. To adjust this, click on Typography. Much like colors, the right typography will complement your brand's voice and style. Following typography, we have the layout. Click on Layout to adjust how your content is structured across your store. This affects how products and information are displayed, so think about the user experience. To add some dynamism to your store, consider using animations. Click on Animations to explore how elements appear on your visitors' screens. Subtly used animations can significantly enhance the user experience without overwhelming them. Now let's talk about buttons. These are your calls to action, the prompts that encourage your visitors to take steps like buy now or learn more. Click on buttons to customize their appearance. Adjusting the border, thickness or color can make them more enticing to click. With those aesthetics set up, it's time to refine the overall theme style. Click on Theme Style to make overarching style adjustments that affect your whole store. This ensures consistency across all pages. But what about the content? Exactly. Let's add some products. Click on Products, then Add Product. Here you'll input all the details about your products, including descriptions, images, and prices. Adding clear and high quality images is crucial, so take your time with this step. Shopify allows for detailed descriptions, so use this space to highlight the benefits and features of your products. Having populated your store with products, it's now pivotal to make it navigable and user-friendly. To do this, head back to the Online Store section and then click on Pages. Here you can manage the static content of your store. It's crucial to include a contact page where potential customers can reach out to you. Add your contact information here, ensuring it's accurate and comprehensive. Last but certainly not least, let's make sure you get paid. Click on Settings, then Payments to set up how you'll receive money from sales. Shopify supports various payment gateways, so choose the one that's most convenient for your customers. Don't forget about shipping and delivery, an essential aspect of e-commerce. Click on Shipping to configure the rates and methods you'll offer. This step is vital for smooth operation and customer satisfaction. Lastly, give your store a professional look with a custom domain. Click on Domains to set this up. A custom domain enhances your brand's credibility and makes your store more memorable. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've taken a giant leap towards launching your online store on Shopify. Remember, this is just the beginning. E-commerce is dynamic, so continuously tweak and improve your store based on the feedback from your customers and the data Shopify provides. Good luck on your digital commerce journey, and here's to your success.